How's it going, everybody? Today I'll be showing you my Chrysler 300C 5.7 liter 2005. I'll be doing a walk around for you guys of my beast. So first of all, I've added a 16-foot LED light in my front bumper, which I control with a remote for every color I want. I tinted my headlights and my fog lights. Yes, the car is very dirty, needs a lot of love and attention. I've been giving all my time to my Challenger lately. Haven't touched this car in over a year, so I gotta start working on it again and cleaning it and stuff. So yeah, just forget about how dirty it is. He needs a lot of love. So yeah, and then I added some spikes in the front bumper. Added quick release for the front and the back for my bumpers, but the rubbers crack over the winter. I bought some new ones, but I'm just waiting for the summer to put more. And I have some 5.5-inch spacers with bigger tires. The stocks are 225s, and I put 245s in front and 255s in the back. This car has a lift kit of about 3-inch. It doesn't show in the rear because it's so heavy in the trunk, because I have a lot of speakers and extra batteries and amps. I put a windshield tint strip in my windshield. And all my windows on the car are pretty much fully tinted. The sunroof is fully tinted. Now for my subs, it's taking the full trunk. These are my 12-inch Alpine Type R competition with my two 10-inch Alpine Type R competition. I got 6x9s on my back dash, and I've put more speakers in my doors, back doors. I had to custom drill the holes, and I've put green LED lights on all my doors so it flashes on the ground. My 4 doors are the same. And I've switched these pieces and a couple of pieces inside to black it out. I've put all my interior lights green LED. And I have some lights flashing with the base for the feet, and I have my both. That's for my 12-inch and my 10-inch. I have 4 amps, 2 battery, and 2 capacitor. So if I turn my 10-inch up and I turn the bass, the lights go with the bass. So yeah. And this is the touchscreen receiver. Now these were wires for my fog lights, but I have to wire a new switch, and the other one is for my LEDs in front, because I rewired my fog lights, because every time I put my high beams it cuts out my fog lights, so I rewired a switch so I have my fog lights with my high beams and my low beams, because with the tint you don't see much. And for my exhaust, I completely took half of the exhaust off to be able to just straight pipe it. So as you can see, I cut my exhaust mid-pipe, and I put 2 down pipes to the ground, so I don't have anything in the back. And that's the front. So I really have a half straight pipe exhaust on here. It sounds pretty loud. Now for under the hood, I didn't do much. I only put an intake. So I'll be doing a lot more work on this car. I'll be posting a lot more videos for it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.